mbele mar somo mar jomadongo.
Wadhi Bungoma, tend kaonti ma Bungoma komakore gi riwruok moko mar piny owacho USAID opudho chenro mar higni 5 madhi konyo jopur bero chenro mag jata chenro mag pur e kaonti ma Bungoma Frederick Wotia oyango ni kaonti no ikore marakore gi achiedh nade ma jolony wacho ni biro kel gi koth mar El Nino. Kojiwo jopur mondo mi oti gi koth machano chwe e yor pidho cham e rakruok gi nok mag chiemo. Olero ni ng'ikni mag uso manyiwa mabandia e kind midhiero moko pod nenore kendo ojiwo jopur mondo mi obed akicha e bero chenro mag pur e kaonti no.
Challenges in the input sector, and I think of late you have even heard there are fake products on the market, and because the regulation, the body to regulate is not clearly defined, it becomes difficult to be able to handle that. And that's one of the reasons why we felt that if we are together, then we can be able to monitor our members and see how are they handling the inputs. Are they giving the correct information? Are they giving the quality inputs that we expect? And if there is any fake product on the market, it can be very easy for us to establish the source.
One of the interventions is how we are going to advise the farmers to utilize the enhanced rains that are bound to start, maybe almost have started, and which may end in January 2024. So going forward, we'll be advising our farmers to go into short season crops.